Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani. My name is Mandalekere Gingirikani. Welcome Ashawa. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we just want to talk about Prince Kaybee. He's been trending, guys. He's been trending. You know, Prince Kaybee is always trending. He's always, involved in a trial of some sort. I saw he was fighting with Msaki earlier today. But that's what I want to talk about. I don't want to talk about that because I feel like there's channels that can take off that gossip news. I just want to talk about the music side of things. And apparently, Prince Kaybee is in trouble right now. He's in hot water with one of an artist, a vocalist that he once featured in one of his songs.
Pray away the pain of not being in alignment with our dreams. Fetch your life, go on, be alive. Ain't nobody living out here. Be someone who's living out.
Actually, guys, what's wrong with Prince Kaybee? Or what's wrong with people? Because it looks like everyone is angry at Prince Kaybee. It looks like his song Fetch Your Life has won an award at the Dance Music Awards South Africa. So that song has won an award, and as you know, in that song is featured a lady. Her name is Msaki. She's the one who's providing the vocals. It looks like when his booking manager went on stage to accept the award, did not acknowledge Msaki. And then Twitter is crazy. Everybody's just upset about the whole thing, that they feel like she should have got an acknowledgement or a credit that is due to her. They say that if it wasn't because of her vocals, that house song would have just been an ordinary song. So she made a song, in other words. So people are just upset about the fact that she didn't get an acknowledgement on stage. But Prince Kaybee actually came out to apologize. And then, honestly speaking, it did look like a genuine apology. But people are not having none of it. They're like, you're so selfish, you're selfish, self-centered, all these names. But hey, Prince Kaybee apologized, and I feel like if he apologized, people should just accept the apology, Probably maybe he used the wrong platform to apologize on Twitter. Because since he knows Msaki, he could have just maybe made a direct call or a direct text, I'm not sure if he did that. Probably, I hope he did, but the apology I saw was on Twitter. So it looks like she's also not happy about everything. You can see the tweet. She's not happy about anything about what happened there. Now Prince Kaybee is saying that if you're not happy about everything, okay, I can give you the award. You can come and take it if you want. I'm not sure if she's gonna accept that. If I was there, I was gonna take the offer. Have the award if I sang the song. Because most of the time, the vocals in a house song, guys, if you follow house music, you know what a cappella can do in a house song. And I personally feel like she did actually contribute a lot in that song, and she did deserve an acknowledgement on stage. And unfortunately, it didn't happen. Even on Twitter, when Prince Kaybee actually tweeted about him winning the award, it looks like he actually didn't, until people were complaining, and then it was trending and everyone was upset, Yeah, but I just felt like sometimes, guys, how many people are going to acknowledge in a song? Because I feel like a house song, for example, usually will have so many people that work in it. And for example, especially this song, so many people worked in this song. The Msaki song for Fetch Your Life with Prince Kaybee, so many people worked in it, and they also didn't get acknowledgement. What about them? We have the guy called Calabash and Shane, the guitarist. They also produced the song. They also produced other hits like Better Days, Friend Zone, Wajelwa, and Yonkit, and many other songs. But they were not also mentioned, So what's so special about Msaki? Is it because she did the vocals, and the fact that the other guys were just producers? Do they also not deserve a mention? I don't know. I just don't know. But I know it's a tradition in South African music, especially on radio. When a house song is playing, usually they only call the DJ. They don't usually say it's a DJ Black Coffee featuring Nkanelo or they just say it's just Black Coffee, or they say it's Chimza, you know, or Prince Kaybee. In this instance, they will say it's Prince Kaybee. They wouldn't mention Msaki in most cases. So I feel like also radio is contributing a lot in not acknowledging the featured artists. So I think South African music really need to look at that, especially radio, because I know they are big offenders on this one. So Prince Kaybee, he's won an award. Congratulations, guys. You know, Prince Kaybee has an album out. You know, it's a very nice EP. It's called Music Crossover something. It's very nice. I actually did take a listen to it. Maybe we need to do a video about it and see what we can see about it. But I think it's a good EP. I saw there's so many people that are featured, including AKA and that lady from Mafikizolo, you know. So yeah. But talking about Prince Kaybee, guys, I'm not going to talk about the Twitter tour he had with Msaki. I think there's channels that can take off that. I'm not going to talk about the tours and the whole gossip about the whole thing. But I'm hearing that Prince Kaybee is not getting along with so many people that he's worked with, you know. You know, he could try, he burns bridges like nobody's business. I'm hearing that he's not getting along with Audrey. I think she did a song Better Days, you know, TNS as well on that song Club Controller, and now Msaki on that song Fetch Your Life, which has won that award. I think it's the best house song in South Africa right now. So yeah, careful guys. But what do you think of Prince Kaybee's latest offering? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's hot? Please comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Click the red button, guys. It's for free. You're not gonna be charged for it. I know some people are quite scared. They think if you subscribe, it means you're gonna be charged or you're gonna have money deducted from your account. No, it's free. Just subscribe to show that you like the channel, and also to avoid this thing of searching my channel and also or maybe searching the show, because I see people are searching Nkanelo or Gingirikani on the search on YouTube. You know, let's avoid that. Just subscribe and then also click the bell. Make sure that you hit the bell, hit subscribe, so that whenever we do our shows, you are the first to receive. Don't be left behind and don't be stingy with those subscriptions, guys. From me, Mandala Kara, Gingirikani, come on, Shawan, come, hey, Kafiwe, I can start smelling at the mail. Salute.